Boxycharm time! And as you guys can see, this month's a doozy because I got my first BoxyLuxe. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know that I love Boxycharm. It is a makeup subscription box from the States. You pay $21 a month for it. I pay $5 shipping because I'm in Canada. But they recently launched BoxyLuxe, which is basically an upgrade from your usual monthly box. Regular Boxycharm box, BoxyLuxe box. So they launched this back in September, but I didn't sign up for the first BoxyLuxe because you had to get up really early to sign up for it, and I wasn't about that life, so I waited until December and jumped on board. Their Luxe box, you pay an extra, oh shoot, what is it? So you pay your regular $21 a month, and then I think you pay another $28 or $29 to upgrade to the bigger size. And I believe there's 9 items in this box. I'm excited to see what's in this huge box. Actually, I already know because I looked. Let's get started. First of all, it comes with a giant card saying what's all in the box. And this month's theme is "'Tis the Season." Get it? Sea, sun, season, 'tis the season. Cute little flamingo with a Santa hat. Yes, there's 9 items in this month's box. So the very first item in the box is not makeup. It's a makeup bag. This is Glam AF. It's pretty cute. It also works as like a clutch. It's got a little zipper with a little wrist strap. So you could use it as a little clutch or as a makeup bag. But inside, it comes with a portable phone charger, which is so cool. It says Crimes of Beauty. Super cute. So this is the little thing to actually charge the charger. And then to charge your phone, you just push up on here and there's a little charger for your phone, which is super cool. So it comes with an iPhone charger, and then it also, if you stick it in this little hole and pull it out, has a charger for an Android as well. I love portable chargers. That's actually what I use pretty much all of the time to charge my phone because I don't have an outlet near my bed that works to charge my phone. So I use a portable charger all the time. It's nice to have a backup. This one's a lot smaller than mine. It probably won't hold as much of a charge as mine, but this one's nice to have in your purse when you're out and about because my phone has suddenly stopped holding its charge super well, so super handy to have. So this is considered one item, the bag and the charger. So really there's 10 items. Actually, there's a lot more than that once you get into the other things, but we'll talk about that later. So this is Crimes of Beauty wristlet and portable charger. The 2 items together cost $22. Oh, I just realized that there's actually like a little divider in here, so there's actually like 2 separate sides to this. That's kind of cool. There's a second item that is not makeup, and that is this Sponge L Blossom Bliss body wash infused buffer. It looks like so. So this is a buffer, obviously, that has body wash built into it. So in the shower, you just rub this on, you get your soap and your sponge in one go, which is kind of a cool idea. Ooh, that smells really good, even through the plastic. So that is a $20 item. First thing that I'm actually gonna put on my face is this Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. You can never have too many anti-wrinkle products, am I right? Oh, that's a cute little jar. Is that glass or plastic? I think it's plastic, but it looks like glass. It's got a little stopper on there. It smells very fresh. I'm gonna check the ingredients for lavender before I put it on my face. It does not look like there is lavender in it. Perfect! I can definitely smell the rose in it. It's not overwhelming, which is nice. Ooh, that feels really good on the face. Pardon the toque, my hair is greasy and I didn't feel like washing it before filming, so toque it was. By the way, pray for Sean. Sean is the youth pastor at my church who is battling stage 4 liver cancer. These toques were a fundraiser to help get their family to Mexico for treatment, and he is currently in Mexico and doing amazing right now, so really excited about that. I really like the smell of this, and it feels really lightweight on the skin, doesn't feel heavy. I think I'm gonna like this. Reduces the appearance of wrinkles and improves skin firmness. I have a feeling that was an expensive item, so let's see how much that cost. Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and it is an $89 cream. That's crazy. I love that Boxycharm puts stuff like that into these boxes because there's a lot of girls who cannot afford an $89 cream, including myself. So the fact that we get to try luxury products like this for such a low price is amazing. I'm going to quickly put on some eyebrows before I move on to the next step, which will be the eyes. Brows are on, so we are going to take a look at the next item in the box. A eyeshadow palette from Violet Voss. I'm super stoked about this because I have heard a ton about Violet Voss, but I've never tried their eyeshadows. My hands are still slippery from that cream. This is the HG Pro palette, it looks like. My holy grail, HG. Got it. Whew, that is a heavy duty mirror. Holy smokes. The mirror is like heavier than the palette itself. Anyways, it comes with a mirror and this beautiful array of neutral tones. This is really pretty. Looks like there's a good amount of mattes in here and a good amount of shimmers. I just can't get over how heavy this mirror is though. Like that is a sturdy mirror. Let's see what it says about this. Violet Voss Pro HG palette. Indulge in 20 highly pigmented eyeshadow shades ranging in finish from creamy matte to bold metallic and silky satin. This is a $45 palette, American, which means it's probably like $60 Canadian. I'm gonna stick on an eye primer and get to work on this. I'll also zoom you guys in. I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me concealer as a primer for these and quickly take my beauty blender and dab that all in before I go in and set it. And it looks like they have I don't know, that might be a little too gray. I was thinking about setting it with Thanks a Latte, but it looks a little gray-ish. But I'm just gonna go for it. Thanks a Latte. Oh, that's not too bad. Next, I'm gonna go into Transition because it's the perfect transition shade. It's like they knew. I'm just gonna start running that into the crease. Pretty high up in the crease, as this is our transition shade. So this is gonna help blend together any other colors that we put on. That's a really pretty transition shade. This blends out really, really nicely. Not patchy or skippy or anything. I really like the names on here too. It's Crystal, Ploof, Thanks Latte, Transition, Hashtag, Awesome Sauce, Bestie, Toffee, Chill, How You Doing, Joey Tribbiani. Bat My Eyes, Cool Beans, Are You Kidding Me, So Jelly, On Fleek, Brownie Points, Teddy Bear, Glamping, Cranberry Splash, Wine and Dine. Those are super cute names. I think that I'm being pulled in like this direction right here. I think I'm gonna go for a little bit of Wine and Dine. Do a little cranberry moment. Whoa, that is pigmented. Okay, they're not playing around with these colors. Holy smokes. I tapped that off. Wow. That's a lot of color for one tiny little tap. And still blended out pretty flawlessly. I'm just gonna take my bigger blending brush and go over the edges because I was not expecting that much intensity, so I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. Also, that color is beautiful. That palette gets really heavy to hold after a little bit because of that big mirror. Now I'm gonna dip into Teddy Bear, which is kind of like a cranberry brown shade. I'm gonna just stick that in the outer corner to deepen it up. I am so happy about this palette so far. This is performing beautifully. I mean, usually if there's gonna be bad shadows in the palette, it's the matte shadows. They're more likely to skip and be less pigmented and patchy. So I'm super impressed by this right now. Now, which shimmer do I do? So Jelly for a light moment. That's really pretty. It's got like golden reflex in it. On Fleek, a little too coppery. Lamping for like a really dark cranberry moment, or Cranberry Splash. Okay, so that one's more of a brownie tone. This one's more true cranberry. Not sure if I want to do Cranberry Splash or So Jelly. Maybe I'll do Cranberry Splash everywhere and then put some So Jelly in my inner corner. I need to wipe. I usually spray my shimmer shadows before I put them on. I'm going to go in first with it just dry and see what kind of pigment we get out of it. I mean, it's okay, but it's not great, so I'm going to spray it. That's better. That's really pretty, actually. I'm going to wipe off this brush and then dip into So Jelly and put that over the inner corner part of my eye. Again, I'm going to spray it and just place it on that little inner corner area. That's really pretty. I think that one would be a really pretty one to do like a cut crease with. get the concealer underneath it and then just really make your eyelid area pop. If you've seen a BoxyLuxe video on another channel, you will know that there's actually something that I could have used to apply these shadows to my eye in the box. This beautiful set of Luxe brushes. It has 7 brushes in here, including some eye brushes, but I chose not to use these today because I'm actually going to put these in a giveaway. I have some of these brushes and enough similar brushes that I don't really need these ones. So I'm going to put those aside for a giveaway, which you need to keep an eye out on Instagram in January, because you will be seeing these in a giveaway. So make sure you're following me on Instagram to see how you can win these. It's the Luxe Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set. It is a $65 value. Comes with a brow and lash spoolie, a flat definer brush, a round top blender, a tapered highlighting brush, a lip brush, a Pro Precision face brush, tapered blending brush, and an eye shading brush. So, like I said, that'll be going into a giveaway, as well as one other item in this box. And that's going to be the Suva Beauty Protégé palette. It looks like this. You've got 6 eyeshadows and 2 highlighting shades. This one and this one are highlight. It is beautiful. I'm sure whoever gets it will love it. I decided to put this in the giveaway because I have already tried Suva Beauty eyeshadows, but I already have shades so similar to this, I figured one of you could put it to good use. So that will also be going into the giveaway. And that palette is the Suva Beauty Protégé palette, $34 value. So this giveaway is already worth over $100 American. So you definitely want to be following me on Instagram to see how you can win that. Now I'm going to move on to my face before I finish off the eyes. I'm going to put on some foundation and concealer, and then there's actually an item in this box to set that. And that is the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. This packaging is so ridiculously adorable. Look how cute that is. Comes with a little pink puff, which is super cute. It's pretty deep before you get to the sifter, so there's lots of room to hold the powder in there. Doesn't really smell like much. So I'm gonna put on my foundation concealer and then I'll come back to use this. Now I'm going to tap some of this into the lid. Take a brush and start by tapping it under my eyes. It has a very light scent to it. Nothing overpowering, nothing crazy. It looks pretty good under my under eyes. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face. So I'm assuming because it says it's the Matte About It setting powder that it's going to be a matte setting powder. Let's read about it. Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder, Matte About It. This weightless, skin smoothing, translucent setting powder locks your makeup in place while enhancing the look of your foundation. I don't know if that enhances the look of my foundation. I mean, it looks nice. It feels good on the skin. Powder blurring and filling fine lines and minimizing the appearance of pores. You know what? It actually does make my pores look smaller. I like that. This specially formulated powder absorbs excess oils and reduces shine, leaving behind a soft matte finish. Beautiful. That's what I like to hear. This is a $32 powder. I'm going to go back to the eyes, back to the Violet Voss palette, and I'm going to use probably pretty much the similar shades underneath my eyes as I did on top. So starting with Transition, running that underneath the lower lash line, and then dipping into Wine and Dine lightly and tapping. And then I'm going to bring that under most of the eye as well. Just a little higher and tighter to the waterline. And that's a pigmented shadow. Gorgeous, darling, gorgeous. Now I'm going to dip into, here's Ploof. It's kind of like a pinky shimmer shade, or Crystal. It's a little more white / yellow based. I think I'm going to go into Ploof though, because I think it'll really pull this look together with a little bit of pink undertones. And use that to highlight my inner corner. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm actually gonna try to take Crystal and use that to highlight my face. Ooh. Ooh, she's pretty. I don't know that that shade would work for many people, but I'm super fair, so it works for me. I'm really digging this eye look. It's so beautiful. So to finish off the eyes, I have a mascara in here. Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula. Ooh, that sounds fun. Its buildable, water-resistant formula is easily removable to prevent lash breakage while keeping the lashes flexible and strong. That's interesting. It's water-resistant but easily removable. Usually when a mascara is waterproof, it's so hard to get off, which is why I don't wear them very often. And it's a $25 mascara. I really like the packaging on this. It's like a brushed gold. Super cute. Okay, I'm gonna quickly put on some eyeliner and then I'll throw on the mascara. That looks pretty good. It's nice and light. It doesn't feel like I have a lot of mascara on. It doesn't clump or anything right away. It doesn't necessarily give me a ton of length or volume, but I like the way that feels on my eyes. This feels like I'm not even wearing mascara. I definitely use it again, but probably more for if I'm actually going to be wearing false lashes. The last item in the box is a Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint in the shade Insta Famous. That's a beautiful color. I'm not usually one for shimmery lips. I'm not even sure if this is like more of a gloss. Yeah, it looks like more of a gloss. It says lip paint, so I assumed it was more like a shimmery liquid lip, but it definitely looks like more of a gloss. Let's see. Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. This sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish, and it is a $20 item. Let's try it out. Ooh, that is shimmery. It smells like French vanilla or something. You know, this is super sheer. I'm gonna put on like a lip liner or something under it. Okay, I'm gonna try it over this now. You know what? It's kind of nice. It's not as shimmery as I initially thought it would be. It's just more of a gloss effect. Just kind of placing it in the center of my lips for a plumper look. It's nice. It's not overly gloopy or sticky either. That was it. That's everything in the box. I'm gonna add this up and see what the retail value of this box was. The retail value of this box is $352. I paid roughly $50 for it. Yeah. $50 for $350 worth of product. That blows my mind. I liked pretty much everything in this box too, which is pretty amazing. I mean, I haven't tried the sponge in the shower yet, but I'm pretty sure I will enjoy it. That face cream was really nice. That wristlet was cute. This eyeshadow palette is amazing. The mascara I like. The lip gloss. I probably won't use it a ton, but it is pretty. That matte setting powder. I mean, I'll have to see how it wears throughout the day, but I think I really like that. And then I get a giveaway out of this box too. The brush set and the Suva Beauty palette. Be sure to be following me on Instagram to see the details on that. I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my Boxycharm BoxyLuxe unboxing. It was so much fun to get their BoxyLuxe this month. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to get notified when I upload videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.